Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself staring at a blank Figma canvas, not quite sure where to begin with your design, today's video is absolutely for you. I'm going to walk you through the simple step-by-step process of using UI kits in Figma. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to find, use, and customize professional-looking components for your own projects. Whether you're building a login page from scratch or just looking to speed up your workflow with tried-and-true design elements, you're about to see how easy it is. Let's get started and give your ideas a head start. First things first, go ahead and open up Figma. If you're using the desktop app or the browser version, the process is the same. Once you're in, take just a quick moment to make sure you're either logged into your own workspace or a place where you can work comfortably. This just keeps everything handy for later and prevents any accidental saves in the wrong spot. Now look toward the top or side navigation where you'll find different ways to start new files. What we want today is to access templates and tools. This is a really useful area in Figma. It's like a marketplace but filled with design resources rather than products. Here, Figma collects templates, widgets, and crucially for us, UI kits. Think of UI kits as a big box of Lego pieces, each one ready to be pieced together and customized for your own needs. Next, in the search bar, type in UI kits. Don't worry if you see a long list of results suddenly pop up. This just means there are tons of options to choose from, covering different styles, platforms, and devices. If you feel a bit overwhelmed by the array of choices, that's totally normal. Finding one that matches the look or functionality you want can take a few moments. But here's a little trick to make things quicker. Filter the search results by selecting Free. This way you immediately narrow it down to kits that you can use without any restrictions or cost, which is perfect for personal projects, learning, or even professional work if you're on a budget. Scroll through and browse until you find a UI kit that catches your eye or feels close to what you need. Maybe one with a clean, modern style if you're planning a login page, for example. When you found one, just click to select it. You'll usually see a little preview window, so feel free to take a minute to scroll through the sample components like buttons, input fields, and more to make sure it fits your project. Once you're happy, go ahead and click Open in Figma. Now, Figma will pull in the entire kit into your workspace. This might take a second to load, especially if it's a fairly large kit with lots of components, so don't worry if you see a little spinning wheel. Now the real fun begins. You can actually start using these kits to build out a login page or whatever interface element you need. The beautiful thing about UI kits is they're meant to be customized. Think of them as a strong starting foundation, not the final product. Spend a few moments selecting the pieces you want. Maybe grab an input field and a button. Then with some light editing, like changing brand colors, text, or rearranging the elements, you'll have something unique to your project. When you're ready, simply copy the template piece you want, head over to one of your own Figma pages or projects and paste it in. That's it. You now have professionally designed components in your file, ready for you to keep customizing or plug into larger layouts. And there you go, you've just learned how to supercharge your Figma workflow using UI kits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want a deeper dive into customization tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.